chart, plan, of accounts, core vocabulary. 1 chart/plan of accounts. COA. Chart of accounts, COA, a complete list of all accounts used by a company. Account number, numerical code assigned to an account. Account name, official title of an account. Account classification. Grouping of accounts by type. General ledger, GL, main accounting record containing all accounts. Subledger, detailed ledger supporting the general ledger. Account balance, difference between debits and credits. Two account types. Assets, what the company owns. Liabilities, what the company owes. Equity, owner's interest in the business. Revenue, income, money earned. Expenses, costs incurred. Accounts receivable, A/R, money owed by customers. Inventory. Prepaid expenses. Fixed assets, buildings. Equipment, vehicles. Accumulated depreciation. 4 common liability accounts. Accounts payable, A/P, money owed to suppliers. Accrued expenses. Taxes payable. Loans payable. Deferred revenue. 5 equity accounts. Owner's capital. Retained earnings. Common stock. Dividends/drawings. 6 revenue and expense accounts. Sales revenue. Service income. Cost of goods sold, COGS. Operating expenses. Payroll expenses. Rent expense. Utilities expense. Advertising expense. Account correspondence. Double entry accounting. 7 debit and credit terms. Debit, DR, left side of an account. Credit, CR, right side of an account. Double entry system, every transaction affects at least 2 accounts. Debit one account, credit another. Balanced entry, total debits equals total credits. 8 posting and transactions. Journal entry. Record of a transaction. Posting, transferring entries to the ledger. Transaction date. Reference number. Narration/description. 9 typical account correspondence examples. Cash rightward arrow sales revenue.